Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're here looking for some advice of how to change the battery in your car remote, as you can see here, if I'm pushing the button and nothing seems to be happening, but then whenever you push really hard, and then now it's working, so the battery is getting a little light, so it's time to change it. So let's go inside here and I'll show you how to change out the battery. Let's go in. Okay, here we have the remote, and there should be a battery in here. Get anything that has a flat edge to it. Of course, I'm going to use a kitchen knife. This you can kind of see a seam around here. Just kind of stick it in there and just wiggle it a little bit. You have to be careful not to damage the plastic. Actually, there might be a little divot right here. Look for one of those. Now on my my knife here, there's little ridges here for cutting or whatnot. Don't use that side. And then just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Work your way around. And it pops loose. Now you don't have to worry about taking the ring off, because that kind of helps hold it together. And if you open it up, bingo! There's your battery. And kind of use a knife on this side, because you can see little placeholders on the sides. Just go off to the one side and wiggle it, and make sure keep in mind which way the battery was in. In this case, it was not this way like you'd think. It was upside down. And then what you want to do is Google what the number is on here and get the exact same one as is in your remote. In my case, this one here, you want to Google CR2032, 3 volt. Either Google it or go to Amazon. Okay, I ended up finding some batteries. I ended up finding one that said here at Wegmans, a 2-pack. And it's a lithium battery. But before we stick that in there, one thing to keep in mind, if you forget which way this battery was turned, you can see inside here that it has a plus. And the plus is on this side. See where it says the plus right there? See the plus sign right there? And that way you have it down towards that. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. See, it just snapped in there real good. And take and put this back together and just kind of press it. There it is. Now let's go back outside here and try this battery out. Okay, let's check this out and see if this remote works better now. Don't have a delay. Ooh. Fantastic. Okay, that was so simple. Wow, it's amazing. Anyhow, I hope you learned something from this video. Give it a thumbs up, it helps us help you, and subscribe on the way out if you'd like to see some other interesting and easy do-it-yourself videos such as this one. Until the next time.